Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit. I definitely lied and said I wasn't going to use this unit for 2 Tron hauls, but I have to. When I talk about epic fall hairstyle, this is an epic fall color, guys. I'm so happy that OMG Queen Hair did not decide to make this kind of like that super blonde highlighty look, because that's been a killer this summer. So stepping into fall, stepping into autumn with a transition like this, I think that this hair color is really, really nice. Another thing I love about this unit, guys, is the length. It's a perfect length. With this one, I wouldn't say get like a 22, 24 inch. That's just doing too much. Keeping it to like an 18 inch or a 20 inch is perfect for the season. Trust me, it is. I would even like this one like a little bit shorter, maybe right here with still the wave pattern. So you guys might see me rock this unit and get shorter and shorter every single time, because I really, really like the color. Now, one thing I want to point out to you guys is that the color is only in the top section. Obviously when you go to the back of the unit, you'll just get the natural color, which I have no issues with, because the way they did these highlights, not too chunky, nice and, you know, even all the way through. Even if you try to do this unit in a side part, it's still going to give you all of the vibes. So I'm going to go ahead and give them a round of applause for this unit, guys. Not only is this unit construction wise a great construction cap, you get about like 5 inches of parting space on this. It does get a little bit short on the sides, but you guys know how that goes with some of these units. But you can definitely do a really nice curve part and really get into your looks. Now, I suck at middle part, so my middle part is definitely off, guys, so don't come at me in the comment section. This unit is very structured well as well too, because they add an adjustable strap. So all I had to do was adjust the strap in the back. I did obviously adhere this unit down with my what I use my Eben lace, Wonder Lace, because I wanted this unit down for a few days. So even if you're not going to glue it down, there's a great band in the back where you can actually just adjust it, so you can actually wear this as a glueless wig. I absolutely love this, guys. I don't even know what else to say about it. Oh, no, I do have something to say about it. So if you notice in the beginning when I styled this unit last week when I installed it, it was straight. So I showed it to you guys when I straightened it a little bit. Now it does curl very nicely, and keep in mind this is the light Yaki texture, so the curls you're gonna get with this unit are gonna be no crazy type of curls. It's not gonna be like Shirley Temple curls or anything like that. Is this even on? Still on a little bit. You're not gonna get like Shirley Temple curls or anything like that. So I feel like for curling purposes for this hair, especially because this is light Yaki texture, the curler's not on, by the way. I just turned it off. So for a unit that is like a light Yaki texture, you get kind of worried that it's not going to hold a good curl, but this one holds a decent curl. Even when the curls drop, you get like this pretty wave pattern that's just effortless, you know. And I love this one because you can style it with nice fedora hats and stuff like that. So that's kind of like my flex for the fall season. So let me know what you guys think. I did go ahead and customize the hairline to show you guys what it's looking like. So there goes the hairline right here, guys. I think I did a pretty good job. I wanted to kind of just make it look cute, but not utilize it. Like, I'm not going to do any half up and half downs or anything like that with this one. I'm pretty much going to keep it, you know, keep it in the middle part style. But all in all, guys, I think this unit came out really nice. Like I said, you don't have to wear it in the middle part. You can go ahead and do a side part. You're gonna get the color pretty much in your face all the way up here. The color to me is kind of like a natural 1B30. If you guys know, when you used to go to the beauty supply store and you was just trying to dip into color, and 1B30 would be like the first safe zone color to go to, this definitely has a 1B30 vibe to it, which I really like. Because if you're not someone that wants to do all those high blonde colors, like the summertime, we kill those, and I know I kill them too. If you're not someone that's into those kind of high blonde colors, this is definitely a nice start. This is a starter wig right here, guys. I love, and look at that texture. Love it. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys. If I have a coupon code, you already know, be down in the description box as well. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching this one. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe. subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.